Hey guys, welcome to Understanding Wholesaling Part 4, Assignment of Contract. In this video, you will learn about the assignment of contract process, identifying potential buyers for a signed contract, and building a network of buyers for repeat business. Let's get started. An assignment of contract is a legal agreement in which one party, the assigner, transfers their rights and obligations under a contract to another party, the assignee. In real estate, wholesalers use assignment of contract to sell a property to another buyer without actually purchasing the property themselves. Identifying potential buyers. Wholesalers should identify potential buyers for a signed contract by building a network of investors and real estate professionals who may be interested in purchasing properties at a discount. Strategies for identifying potential buyers include 1. Networking. Wholesalers can attend real estate events and build relationships with investors and real estate agents. 2. Advertising. Wholesalers can advertise their properties on social media, real estate websites, and classified ads. 3. Referrals. Wholesalers can ask for referrals from their existing network of buyers and sellers. 4. Building a network of buyers. Wholesalers should focus on building a strong network of buyers for repeat business. This involves providing excellent customer service and building a reputation for integrity and professionalism. Strategies for building a network of buyers. consistent communication. Wholesalers should maintain regular communication with their buyers and keep them informed of any new properties that become available. Providing value. Wholesalers can provide value to their buyers by sharing market insights, offering advice on property management, and providing access to resources and services. Offering incentives. Wholesalers can offer incentives to their buyers, such as discounts on future deals or priority access to new properties. Building trust. Wholesalers should always act with integrity and honesty to build trust with their buyers. This includes being transparent about the properties they're selling and providing accurate information about their condition and potential profitability. Delivering results. Wholesalers should focus on delivering results for their buyers by providing properties that meet their criteria and expectations. This involves understanding their buyers' investment goals and preferences and sourcing properties that match those criteria. In this video, you learned about the assignment of contract process. You learned how to identify potential buyers for assigned contracts and how to build a network of buyers for repeat business. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!